Just some drawers. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I know I haven't been uploading a long time, but I'm trying to working on this. As you see, my room right now, it's so different. Okay, so as you can see back here, it has changed. Last time I changed it because I got really annoyed of how my room looks like, so I changed it. And even though I hated how it looks, but right now it is so messy. Like, look down here, there's food that I just eat, and I just finished it because it's like so spicy and I cannot eat it. Even though I drank this Starbucks drink that it was really sweet, I still didn't get anything but get worse. So, and then there is TV, and then there's so many food over here because my house is right now currently on renovation, and I'm keeping food up here because my parents said I cannot go up like outside. My house is currently on renovation and I can do nothing about it, but my house is renovation, but it's like really dirty and my room is like a mess. So yeah, this is a Dior book. I bought like so many things besides Dior. There's other parcel that is coming for my room decoration. I've put a lot, and I bought so many ikea things. So I got my scissors. I don't even know what I'm saying. Anyway, so this is what I got. I got Dior, Cartier, Hermes as well. I wanted Louis Vuitton, but it was out of stock, so it's really sad, but it's fine. At least I got Hermes, Dior, and Cartier. One, it's like a fake book, which what I wanted. And I'm done. Why my mouth is like this? Yeah, you know you're gonna record, but you still eat the ramen. It's not ramen. It's enoki and tteokbokki. But I didn't finish it because this was too spicy because I put too much sauce on it and I regret it. And I don't know if I love you. Hermes bag. If you guys want to buy this book, I will definitely link it on my description box. And hopefully the seller sees this because I'm sponsoring your product right now. So this is the process. It's going on. Just some drawers. Oh wait, this is my table. This is the new table and stuff.
some thoughts and medicine. I feel I'm on the road, getting better as I win. I left a different place to put my heart all on the road. She acting like she better, she can't even get a code.
How when you came into my room, this is the door over here, and the first thing you see is this. This thing is still not clean. I just hate that because my house is under renovation right now, so that's why I have like so many food over there, which is really bothering me. But I have no choice. All of this drawer is full with my clothes. I'll show you one of these. This is like my bags that I don't use anymore. It's all my shirt. This is all the clothes inside. There's still some more clothes that I want to fill it in, but it's like it's still not how do I say it? Not full yet. So yeah, this is the new sweatshirt. I don't know where to put it, so I need to ask my dad later where I should put this. Oh, it's like a moon. At night, ooh, we look so good, but right now it's like it's night, but like yeah, it's not ready yet. Anyways, this is the fake books that I use. Hermes, Christian Dior, Couture. And then so this is books over here. I actually don't want to put it here because it's not mixing like the theme that I'm going on with here. I'm gonna put it there, but I'm gonna have a bedside table soon. This is our Quran. Yep, my mom just gave it to me like just now. Voila! That is my two baby pictures. And when he came over here, this is TV and then a clock over there that is not working. It doesn't work. So yeah, this is the table. Like so bad back here. It was so many things back here, and now it's not here because I cleaned it up, and some of them that I thrown out, and then I put some in the drawers over there. And over here is my vanity. When you move on over here, it's really nothing. It's just up here. It still doesn't cleaned up. My room's not fully finished yet, but this is how I'm working on and I'm staying on right now for now, because my house is renovation right now. Some stuff is still like really bad because I'm still waiting on parcel to put on my drawers here to be more organized, but it's not arrived yet. So this is the lighting that I always use in my room. This I got a gift it for my mom and dad. And then some food, but it's so messy. I don't want to show you guys. But anyways, this is the table that I built last night. No, actually my uncle built it. So thanks for his help. And then here's my bed. Yeah, this clothes will be here for now. Later on it won't be here because the clothes is from my auntie and my grandma. So like I have to put it there. I have no choice but to put it there. Literally I have none. All my clothes and pants is just this towel, this hat over here, this hijab. This is not mine. This is mine, and this is mine. That's it. The rest of it is not. As you can see over here, there's my drawer over here. I don't even know what to call it, but like I put like decoration here, Blackpink calendar. I don't need to change the calendar, so like yeah. It used to be my bags up here, but my mom took it because my mom don't want my bags to be still from those workers, because my room was on renovation before, and the floor was on renovation, so that's why they came into my room. And this is what's going on. My bag is not here, but this is all my perfume collection. A fake book. This thing I still didn't change the picture because I cannot find the right picture. The camera had picture, but I have nothing to put in, so I just do it this one. Yeah, down here some paintings and some books and needle. It's not for me though, it's for baking, but it's not my. So I'm just gonna do some voiceover because I'm not wearing hijab right now. But thank you so much for watching my video, and I hope you guys like it. I know it's really boring because I don't know what to do on my videos because I'm not going anywhere just yet, but soon December is going to be amazing. So yeah, hope you guys like it. Subscribe and like and share this video to your friends. Bye.
You got me acting stupid for some thoughts and medicine. I feel I'm on the road, getting better.